Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Rockstead SAI ZDP Tonto knife. This is a beautiful one. It's a Rockstead, so you know what that means. It's got the smoothest action you could ask for. Well, I don't know if it's the smoothest, but it is pretty dang smooth. It's impressive. They've been called the Japanese Chris Reeve knives, so there you have it. Other people's words, not mine. Although I agree. Anywho, overall length is 7.5 inches. And the blade length is 3¼ of an inch. And it's got this incredible mirror polish finish on it. I mean, it's just like so incredibly reflective. It's really beautiful. Man, it fingerprints pretty easily, I gotta say. But hey, you know what? If you're into that really, really high-end looking sort of knife, look no further because this thing is beautiful. So your blade material is ZDP 189. It is at a whopping 67 RC. For hardness. That's impressive. Handle length on this guy is 4¼ of an inch, and it is titanium, and it's in this color wave called Spectrum. So if you catch it in a different light, it will sort of change colors, and you can see that it's gotten some oil over it, and it's from my hands, and it's actually changing colors just by that. So it's really beautiful. It is right hand or left hand, although the liner lock is for right-handed use. And just really beautiful. It also comes with this little leather sheath that has a belt loop on it because it doesn't have a pocket clip. Size comparison. There is your tactical clothespin. Now you know how big it is. So there you go, guys. This is the Rockstead SAI ZDP. And go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com.